Hello and welcome. Market is falling for 2 days already, and here is the reason why. First of all, it's because of liquidations. There have been liquidated almost half a billion in the longs for the Bitcoin itself. So that's only for the Bitcoin. I think there are quite a lot of liquidations for Ethereum too, and for the other coins as well. So as we can see yesterday, basically, or actually 2 days ago, 250 million, yesterday nearly 200 million. So that is I suppose, the only reason, because I do not see any like major news that something bad have happened. The same, also, I do not see really the ETF outflow that much because, for example, the market cap is in the same levels basically. And if you look to the actual data that we can see, also yesterday there was more outflow than inflow. So that of course boosted also this downfall, but this real impulse was created because of liquidations. And therefore I would like to show you also liquidation heat map. This is what we can see currently in the very short time frame, but if we go back to zoom out to week, then we will easily see that it was like really nice cascade liquidations. As you can see here, basically the first impulse was somewhere there with the price of 69 70k, then the next one was 68, and then the next one at 68 and below. So now we fall to 66 65k region. And what actually I can say right now, that probably we will continue also in this current week to go even lower. So, but definitely it's not a good idea to short the market. It's very risky as there is a lot more potential, growth potential, than actually the potential to go down. And if you look, for example, to very short time frame, that is quite clearly, you can see actually where the stop loss for the shorts, for the retail shorters, the stop loss, where it is and where the market should be pushed to actually liquidate those shorts. So therefore the shorting currently is also quite difficult and quite tricky, and you can maybe, there is a lot more probability to lose money than actually to make money by shorting currently, because simply these stop losses can be hit pretty hard with some institution deciding to buy the market right now. Then actually this 67 700 can easily be hit, and then from there actually more sale volume can happen, or there can be even more buy pressure, then we will shoot up quite quickly. But I think more logical is for the large institutions right now is to push it up probably to 67, and then just crash it down to maybe 62 60k region. So let's see what will happen. I'm not the kind of guy who knows what actually the institution will do next. So nobody knows. It can happen any time. But as the past says, that basically it usually happens in late US hours. For example, the US market, like traditional hours, closes around 12 p.m., 1 a.m. European time. Then actually these dumps happen afterwards. So that's how it used to be. But let's see what will be the next steps in this game. If we go and zoom out and if we go to the chart, Then we can easily also track that, for example, on the daily chart. We can see that yes, we are falling, but as it looks right now, okay, we can for a moment just hide the over robot. So let's see. Here, for example, we crashed from the 71,500 right now to 66, and percentage wise, it's actually not much. It's not much, it's 7%. So, therefore, it's quite likely to be down to 62, maybe 60, maybe 58, and that can happen. So, what should you do right now in this kind of situation when we have like 18 or 19 days left till the halving? And as I have said you previously also that there is this volatility, will be this huge volatility, and this volatility is mainly driven by large leverage in the market. So therefore, it's also easy to create this volatility because there is this stop losses standing on both directions, and basically with the some if the large institution wants to actually gain a market a bit and liquidate those positions, then it's quite easy to do and quite easy to see where those volumes are standing. So that being said, I do not see anything else than the large volatility also continuing for the next months. So therefore, what I can suggest you if you want to build the swing trades, that basically is to have just to have limit orders, buy limit orders on the way down. For example, right now already there have been many limit orders filled by myself on my swing trade account, on my copy trade account, AI Invest Lab. They're also standing the limit orders on the way down. Basically, I'm not buying the Bitcoin with the limit orders, but I am watching and monitoring the Bitcoin because it drives all the market. And most limit orders are standing on Ethereum down to 3K, even below 3K. And then there is also Arbitrum and Phil, and also Near. So there are limit orders standing on the way down. That's the reason also why I sold a lot here in this region when the Bitcoin was around 72K. I sold a lot. I basically leveraged down my positions and I was out of the market to just because it looked pretty sure that there will be this dump down again, and as the time frame says, that is we are in this region where it's happening. So therefore the smartest way is to have limit orders on the way down. Do not be impatient, do not get into the market too quickly. There is possibilities that we can even go down probably to 52 or 50k region, and that's maybe not that likely to happen. But you have to be sure that you are also not liquidated in the situation when we go down with the Bitcoin to the 50k. You have to make sure that even that kind of a drop you can sustain and you do not get liquidated. So, with that being said, I would like to go on right now actually to the copy trading. I would like to show you also those limit orders where they are currently standing. And also I would like to pay attention to this new copy trading what we currently have. This is AI Invest Lab VIP account, which is pretty good for the inner day trading. There will be only two coins traded on inner day basis, basically Solana and Ethereum. And the strategy is quite good for all of those volatility conditions. We just basically take advantage of any kind of the move in the market. I can show you also the results on the test period, how actually the strategy have been performing on the test period. And basically these results are just insane. In 40 days it went like crazy amounts into the profit, 2870% in the 40 days. And that's also with this quite a limited risk management. Basically we are just taking the profits all the way, with some dumps in some areas, but that's basically very short lived. So percentage profitable 80%, 170 trades. That is absolutely amazing result. And you can follow and copy and start copying just by 50 USD in this account too. It's the account actually is running for the 3 days right now, and there is only winning trades. So links down in description. Then if we go back to the BYBIT, hopefully the account will be opened and I can share with you also the limit orders. Also, a little bit about the challenge. Currently, it's quite diversified. There is like half of the account is in the spot. Basically, there are 10, 12 coins. I will show in some video also exact positions on those coins. And then there are those two copy trading accounts, AI Invest Lab and AI Invest Lab VIP account. Therefore, and there are like pretty separate things happening in this challenge. So that's also quite important to be diversified in the market when the such a volatility happens and all these opportunities are just in front of us. So currently this is the VIP account, copy trading a little bit into the minus, but it doesn't into the minus, actually not account into minus, but actually into the minus of open positions. So it's not realized loss or profit, it's just unrealized loss currently standing. And you can see that we are going to utilize all this dump. So basically there are lots of limit orders standing down to the 3k currently. And if we see the strong push, then probably we will even move this second part of the orders even lower and increase in amount. So that's the picture how I am building those also swing trades in AI Invest Lab copy trading account right now. So it's, of course, it's like USD wise, it's going down and there is like loss currently, but this also you have to consider it as an unrealized loss because we are just building positions. We are just building positions by entering on the right moments when actually market is down, and this is actually how our new copy trader is doing. Basically, there is huge dump down. Here we buy on this point. Actually, here there is huge dump down. Here we buy on this point again. So, and if there will be even more dump down, we will buy there again. So therefore we also a lower over average entry price, and that's very important. When the market starts to recover, we are in really nice profits. So that's how it looks right now into the market, and that's how looks our philosophy into the market. Let's see if it will open over copy trading profile. Hopefully it will, but somehow looks like loading very slowly. At the same time, we can check also what is going on with the uh, order book for the Bitcoin, but I don't think there will be a lot of changes, as yesterday I was checking it. Basically, it's standing the same. There is huge orders on the 58k region. Unfortunately, the internet looks quite slow right now, so maybe it will not open the order book right now, but you can do it also in the Resonance Vision page. That is easily you can track what is going on with the order book for the Bitcoin. I usually check Binance as the largest exchange, but you can also check other exchanges too. And for the trading and also for the copy trading, but BYBIT is absolutely the best currently in the world, and also links for the BYBIT with the great discounts and also discounts on the commissions and the bonus up to 30k down in description. So it's really good idea to become partner with the BYBIT and use it as the main exchange for this bull run and also for the copy trading and the funds. So, with that being said, looks like thank you for now. See you